It's a very good afternoon here in Stoke-on-Trent, and guess what? Guess what? Look at the table. The wife has prepared something delicious. Look at this is sweet cabbage right here, right here. And you got what did you put in here? This is turmeric.
Just yellow rice.
Turmeric, yeah, made it yellow rice. That's it. And you got this one. I ate this once by the Nigerian friend of mine. It's stewed beef with okra in it. Can you see? It's a bit slimy, and that's very, very delicious. And then you just got beans with stewed steak in there. And this is fried okra, my friends. Try this one here. And if you look at the nutritional benefits of this okra, you will tell me it's simply the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in for this short clip. I'm just sharing with you because I'm having something delicious the wife has actually prepared for us to eat. A sister of mine has come all the way from our house. She smelt it and she wants to come and eat. She's camera shy. I won't show you. But she's just gone out. She likes my wife's cooking and she's come all the way from our home to come over to our house. And she's going to enjoy the food, so it's going to be delicious. Thank you for tuning in, and adios, amigos. I will see you in the next video. Adios, ciao.